some croutons. I have bread that is getting hard, but it's not expired. So I'm like, let me make croutons. Croutons recipe easy. So we're about to make some real quick on the vlog. All you need is bread, olive oil, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, black pepper, salt. And yeah, we're just gonna make some. So I know I have to bake it, but I'm gonna see if I can do it in the air fryer because I really don't feel like turning on the oven. You basically just chop it up, dice your bread, toss the oil and seasonings, spread it on a baking sheet until crispy, flip the croutons halfway through, bake. They can stay in the container for 2 weeks. So sounds about right for me. I'm just warming up some chicken so I can add in my salad. I'm about to make a salad, so that's why I'm like, let me just make some croutons from scratch. I have bread going to waste, and I don't think I have any. So let's make some. Right, so this is the Cuban bread that I have, and it's super hard. So instead of throwing it away, I figured let me actually repurpose it. So I'm just going to. Why does it sound like that? My chicken is pretty good. So here's the croutons. I'm just gonna toss it. I'm just gonna use my hand. Yeah, the oil didn't really soak up on the bread. I don't know if it's because the bread is too hard, but I feel like the majority of the oil is in the bowl and not on the bread. All right, while it is in the air fryer, I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my lettuce. I like to use kitchen shears. Here's my little chicken nuggets. That's gonna be my protein on my salad. But I like to use my kitchen shears and just chop things because it's way easier. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm moving around because I don't have my tripod. It's upstairs and I'm not going up there. But I'm just going to lettuce like this. I chop off the ends because I don't like to use the ends. Chop the ends. There you go, easy way to chop. You don't need to grab a knife. Boom, chopped beautifully. Oh, I smell something. Hold on. Oh, they're getting perfectly brown. Okay. The seasoning is, like I said, stayed in the bowl because the oil stayed in the bowl, but that's fine. It's coming together. I'm going to leave it for like 2 more minutes. Look at the croutons. Oh, they look so beautiful. Wow. Is this going to be my new thing? They look beautiful. Let me try one. All right, here we go. Taste test. Oh, I make my own croutons from now on. We've got our bowl of lettuce. We've got tomatoes because I need to use them before they are no longer good. So we're gonna add some tomato. I have to add the whole tomato because, again, I don't want them to go bad. I'm trying to get out of, I already had to throw one in the trash. So I'm trying to get out of wasting food. So we gotta use it, baby. And here's my little chicken. Let's bring it over here to chop it. 4s. And this is like the Purdue chicken, so it's kind of good. Protein. 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so here's the croutons. Let's add her on. Oh, they look so good. You cannot tell me these don't look good. Like, look at how perfectly golden brown they are. I just love that so much. Scoop it. Put it on. Gotta get it nice and perfect aesthetically. Oh, that's so beautiful. Look at that, guys. Homemade croutons. Who knew? Just oil and some seasoning, and then you're good. I'm about to be experimenting now. Let me take a little picture. My dressing of choice is the cilantro lime ranch. Only because I only have 2 dressings, and it's this or the chipotle ranch. And I think I'm a little bit over the chipotle ranch. I kind of want to add avocado in here, but I don't want to mess up the taste. But let's just... Oh, not me missing the bowl. Boom, baby. Here is our lunch. It is what? 3 o'clock, perfect timing. I'm going to eat it with a plastic fork because I'm tired of doing dishes. So here is my little lunch. I got to do a taste test. Not me making my own croutons. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. Yep, I got a crouton, I got a chicken, I got a tomato. I just need more lettuce. Lettuce. The croutons are perfect. They're like crunchy but not hard. Oh, I'm gonna have to make my husband a salad. This actually tastes good. The lime is a bit limey, but I don't mind it. 10 out of 10. I'm gonna add some more croutons, I know. Because I love croutons. Yeah, why have I never made croutons before? Ain't no going back now.
To breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe cause I know I got life so I can't fight. And I know say I relax on the hope of a good time. Hope of a good time. Cause it's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not be hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance I am. Blessed with another chance I am. Every day, always on my head high, my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Sing like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe cause I know I got life so I can't fight. And I know say I relax on the hope of a good time. Hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance I am. 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 my knees for my peace. Wanna see family feel at ease. Oh, and I know that there's more than this, yeah. And I know that there's more than this, hey, yeah. New season, pray for the hope gone, restore, find life, new reasons. Pray for the soul lost, find out, find strength, find freedom. I pray, yeah.
This can't be my forever. This can't be, no. This can't be, yeah. This can't be my forever. No. Sometimes I don't even have the words, so I just sit and pray. Every season has its season, maybe that's enough to wait. Every little thing around me, I know it'll fade till I have it. You, I know there's more to the pain I'm feeling now. I know there's more to the heartache all around. Somehow I can see it shining like the starlights. It's so hard to see it now, but I'll be alright.
I'll be alright. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, Don't be in a rush to try to find a man. Just keep getting closer with God and trusting in His plans. Don't fall for the hype on the gram, they follow trends. Making toxicity look cute, that ain't romance. You gotta be better than if the man upstairs know your name, I advise you know your worth. Get you a man who treat you like a queen and always gonna put God first. Don't return to your past, I know it hurt. Last time they put you on a shirt. Glory to God that now you're living. Don't go back, it might be worse. Beautiful to be treated like dirt. Don't rush it, put it on pause. Let God satisfy your thirst. He don't pray at all, you know that ain't gon' work. Yahweh died for you, sweetheart. It's better that you deserve. It's not even worth that hurt. 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 P31, that's what you are. I see shining, girl, you like a star. You be on your grind, you working hard. You and your whip got your own car. Look at God, oh, He done brought you far. You so amazing, oh, don't get me started.